Hello. When it comes to yogurt, it's been made and used for thousands and thousands of years. And then it will also hit the headlines to say how much of a big superfood it is, how important it is for us to include into our daily diet. It has got so many benefits to it. I have actually grown up seeing and watching my mom make the yogurt at home regularly and taken it for granted that it is something that you just make it at home. It is very quick, very easy. Yogurt, as we all know, it has got many uses. It can be used in the cooking, in the smoothies, in the breakfast, for marinating the meat and so on. And one of the Indian popular drink is called lassi. We make yogurt once a week at least, very regularly. It's super easy, not complicated at all. What I also find is it is very economical to make own yogurt at home, and it's always, I've got a big bowl of yogurt always sitting in the fridge. My name is Avtaars. Let's have a look at the yogurt making method, which works each time without fail and without using the yogurt maker or any other special equipment or any additional ingredients. Put the milk on for boiling in a heavy based pan. Turn the heat on for full and let it boil, making sure that you are stirring it with the ladle, otherwise it will start burning at the bottom of the pan. While the milk is getting boiled, and of course we need to cool it down as well, I'm going to get my bowl or my pan ready in which I'm going to make the yogurt. I'm just using a normal plastic bucket, and I have put a couple of little blankets in there. So in goes the boiling water. Cover completely with the little blankets all around it. So the idea is that little area is getting warmed up. Alternatively, you could put your covered bowl into microwave oven or into the traditional oven so that it is not getting the drafts in there. So while the milk is cooling down, I'll talk a little bit about the culture. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of culture from my previously made batch of yogurt. For this lot, I had used semi-skimmed milk. Now you may want to use the full cream milk. Do go for the milk which has got some fat content. If you have got the skimmed milk, the consistency doesn't come out as firm. It is very runny. If you haven't got the cultures at home, and obviously go to the shop and get some live yogurt, plain live yogurt, rather than a flavored one. Milk is ready now. As you can see, I'm touching pan. It's not boiling hot, bearable temperature. If you have got thermometer at home, usually about 40-45 degrees centigrade. If you end up having too hot milk, that will not let the yogurt set. Same goes for if it is too cold, it's not going to work. So it's that middle range. Open my insulated pot in which I'm going to make the yogurt. I'm going to lift it out gently. The water goes away, to be thrown away. That goes in. Back in a nice cozy warm basket. So the milk goes in. Add the culture. If you want a more firmer, thicker yogurt, you can add some powdered milk. So then cover it all up again snugly and let this sit for at least 3 to 4 hours in a draft-free area. You do not even need to leave it for the whole night. Yogurt has been sitting still for just over 3 hours now, and I can feel that warmth coming out. Oh, it still is warm. Let's look at the magic that has happened there. So the water is started separating and my yogurt is ready to be used as and when I want it. Set firmly, and the yogurt itself is looking so inviting. Thank you for being with us. I hope you have enjoyed it. Until next time, God bless you all and take care. Bye.